Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. And today is Tuesday, August 9th, and hopefully you guys survived yesterday's onslaught on the Dow. So it was kind of some crazy stuff that went on over there. Um, so let's go ahead and take a look at the economic news releases scheduled for today. And we'll begin with the NFIB Small Business Index. This is the index that the small businesses kind of collectively gather and kind of limit, see if they think feel that there's growth in the economy for the future, or if they think it will be contracting. And the prior month it was at 90.8, and basically came in at 89.9. So pretty close to where it was, but they see a slight decline in the economy or where the market is for business, and that's kind of like the consumer sentiment for small businesses. So let's take a look at productivity. And productivity for Q2, our previous quarter was at 0.6%. We're negative. This is all negative, and they're kind of expecting it to actually worsen a little bit, but it actually improved a little bit. So nothing to write home about, because obviously we never like negative numbers. But in this case, it was at least a little bit of an improvement. And then we got unit labor costs. So unit labor costs previous quarter was about 4%, which can be inflationary. We figured it would drop down to 2.6, and we just came in under that. So again, can be a little bit inflationary, but it's not bad. So at least it's showing some improvement down to 2.2%. And then we got the biggie, the Fed statement later today at 11:15 Pacific Coast time. So that's going to be where everybody's kind of waiting, watching to see what the Fed says after the downgrade, and where the economy signs are showing the economy slowing down, what the Fed's going to state. So all eyes will be on that. As I said, all eyes will be on the Fed today. Stock market's up currently right now, so they're kind of probably cashing in, buying in low, and so we got a lot of buyers after the big sell-off yesterday. They figured probably overreacted, and now they're buying in. And then consumer prices jumped up in China about 6.5%. So inflationary is still kind of out of control over there, and so investors are going to be looking at China probably doing some more tightening to rein that in a little bit more. As of course, it's never good. We like some inflation, but too much is not good. So that's what they're trying to do. So let's look here at the bond market, what interest rates are at. As we saw, we had a nice little rally. We gained a lot of that Friday's losses, where the traders were selling to take some profits. So we gained a lot of that. We opened the day up a little bit lower, down about 18 basis points here, and we're down currently about another 9 basis points. So we closed up at 103.03, and we're currently about 102.78. So actually, So anyways, so rates are a little bit worse today than they were yesterday, depending on if they did price improvements yesterday. They may have just put it in today's and kind of balanced itself out. And so interest rates are, again, a little bit higher today versus yesterday's rates. All right, folks, we'll catch you tomorrow, but stay tuned. The Fed, again, that's going to be the biggie. That could be, right now, things kind of moving semi-sideways, and that could definitely make things go one way or the other today. Whether if it's equities market or bond market, it could definitely make some changes. So right now, there's been rumors about QE3, and a lot of people also speculate that the Fed really doesn't have anything more in their tool chest, so to speak, as to how to combat this current downtrend that we're experiencing in the economy again. So let's stay tuned and watch out and see what they have to say. And again, if you guys are looking to buy a home or looking to refinance, check out my website at californiamortgagetips.com. If you're a first-time home buyer, or even have some credit issues or got some questions about VA loans, and also credit repairs, as well as reverse mortgages, I got some great webinars that I sponsor every week. You can go ahead and take a look at mikeshomebuyeruniversity.com. Take a look at those sites as well. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.